Welcome! In front of me is Dell G15, and in this video I will show you how to improve your battery life and stop your battery from draining way too fast. The first thing that you can do is change power settings on your computer. To do this, right-click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, select Power and Sleep Settings. In Power and Sleep Settings, go to the Power mode, and if you want to ensure the longer life of your battery, select Best Power Efficiency mode for both plugged-in and on-battery options. Then, you can also make the screen less bright by clicking on these three icons in the bottom right corner of the screen and adjusting the screen brightness by moving this slider. Also, you can check the Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar and going into Task Manager to check which applications use the most power on your device. To do this, right-click on any of these columns, then select Power Usage and sort your device. Sort this table by the power usage column. You'll see which applications use your power the most, and if some application uses a lot of your power, you can right-click on it and click End Task. The next thing I want you to check is the connected devices. So go to Start menu, select Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, and here you'll find the Bluetooth devices that are connected to your laptop. And to disconnect any device, click on the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of this device icon, and then click Disconnect. Also, you can disable your Bluetooth if you're not using any Bluetooth devices, as Bluetooth also drains your battery power. Next thing I want you to check is whether your device's system is up to date. To do this, go to Settings again, scroll down to the Windows Update section, click Check for Updates, and check if there are any updates that can be installed. And if there are, then take your time and install all of them. You can also check for updates in Advanced Options if you go to Optional Updates, and if there are any available updates for your device, you can select them and click Install. You can also check for additional updates in the Dell SupportAssist application. To install it, open your web browser, go to your search engine and look for Dell SupportAssist application. Now open this web page on the official Dell.com website and select Download Now option button right here. And now once you click on it, you will start the installation of the installer file. Click on it once and proceed with the installation. The installation is pretty simple. You don't have to do or choose anything. It will take a couple of minutes for this application to be installed on your PC, and once it's installed, you can open it and in this application you can click Update Software, and you can also hit the checkbox next to Boost Performance Mode, then click Start and wait if your device finds any updates for your software and also boosts your device's performance. And then, once the boost and updates check is complete, you can view updates by clicking right here. And then, if you have some updates to install, click Install. and wait until the updates are downloaded and installed on your PC. And once the software update is complete, restart your laptop by clicking Restart Now and confirm. And wait until your device is restarted. And once your device is restarted, the changes are applied. And the last thing I want to mention in the context of the improving battery performance is that batteries naturally get old, and you can always check the health of your battery. To do that, just search for the CMD program, this one, run it as administrator. Click yes, and then in the following window, input power CFG / battery report. Input this command and press enter. You'll receive the feedback in this path. You'll have to select it, then right click on it. Then you can close the CMD program, open your File Explorer or web browser, open the file path and paste this value in here, then press enter, and you'll see the battery report. And to see how worn out your battery is, you'll have to go to the installed batteries section, and here you'll find the design capacity. And as you can see, the design capacity for me is 56 watts an hour. The design capacity is the original capacity of your battery, and the full charge capacity is the current maximum capacity of your battery. And as you can see, there is a significant difference between the design capacity and the full charge capacity for me, which means that my device's battery is worn out by 18 watts an hour, by 15 watts an hour, almost 15 actually, which is a significant number actually, but generally speaking, there is no specific amount of watts an hour at which you must replace your battery. Just check for yourself and see if you're comfortable with your current full charge capacity. And basically that's all the advice I had to share with you. So if this video helped you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.